Any other questions? We can go as long as you guys want, almost.
You guys made a statement that the ELD device had to be registered with FMCSA for us to transfer. Doesn't that provide the opinion that the device is compliant and meets your requirements? But yet you're saying it's self-certification as well. So isn't that kind of saying that you're accepting the self-certification from the vendor and the operator might be assuming something that might not be true? Does the fact that you're accepting it means it complies?
The fact that it's on the website means that they have affirmed that they meet the requirements. FMCSA is not going to check every device to confirm that statement unless we notice a problem that's reported to us by the field or by the community. So the self-certification doesn't mean that FMCSA has signed off on it. It just means that that vendor has affirmed that they meet those, that they have tested their device against our specifications and that they say that they meet it.
But you're accepting that from that vendor by putting them on your site, aren't you?
Go ahead.
I was going to say we're accepting that until proven otherwise by data that may come back later on.
It's that self-certification process. You know, we took the NHTSA position that they're certifying that their device is compliant by them providing the information, self-certifying and being registered on that site. Then that does open it up to receive that transfer of data. Now, if that transfer file transfers successfully, then that means that they built that transfer file in conformance, in perspective, whatever that technical term is, per regulation, so that the system was able to retrieve it. So, okay.
This is kind of like just the way a lot of the rule is written, is to kind of provide flexibility. A lot of it's about providing flexibility. So if we had to actually go in and certify every device, those devices would trickle out at a snail's pace. I mean, because you're going to have to certify not just every device, but every device in combination with every engine, in combination with every operating system. It's something that would unduly restrict, I think, the market that's out there. And then for the same reason that we don't set a maximum, functionality threshold, that we define what the ELD must do, not everything else that different vendors might want to do, and different vendors are going to support different things in different ways depending on what specific carriers' actually needs are.
And as far as when we use that term, we took the NHTSA approach on that self-certification. You have that manufacturer's plate that's on your coach that says this vehicle conforms with FMVSS, whatever. So that's the same process. NHTSA didn't come out and inspect that vehicle and put that plate on there. That's a self-certification stating that manufacturer manufactured that vehicle according to the technical specifications. So it's the same principle with the ELD. We put the regulation out there, and they're self-certifying that device meets all of those requirements within the rule.